Yesterday we met lieutenant, and today we have a flying officer. Let me tell you that flying officer Nimisha was as good as you are, dash dash dot dot as you are, right? But the grit, the fight, the will to win. You know, we are a very different country today. We are not those. मेरे ज़माने का देश नहीं है ये. There's nothing called girl or boy. There's nothing called rich or poor. There's nothing called that I have to have very muscular body to get into this or that. But look at the way she carries herself today, and not only that. I'm extremely grateful to Nimisha that she has not reached home. This is the first leave she is on, because although she has got 1.5 years service, they weren't permitted to go home because of COVID-19. And look at the izzat that she has given to her academy, Gurudeva Academy, that she has first landed in the academy. Give her a huge front rows. She may have forgotten many things of SSB and may have forgotten many things, and she has seen chota-mota operations also now within this 1.5 year, which is very difficult to earn. It's like $1 trillion. So over to Nimisha, whatever she wants to say, and after that I would like her to meet the girls for 5 minutes, but that is later, and you can ask her any amount of question, and don't worry about any gender problems and other things.
Hi, I'm Flying Officer Nimisha. I was here 2 years back.
You carry that, and when you put on the uniform in your room, then you feel like looking at the mirror once again. Right?
So I was here 2 years back. I got commissioned in June 21. But yeah, thanks to Corona, we had no leaves. So this is my first leave. This is the first chance I'm getting to be here. And as sir said, SSB committee which we are there, so I'm really sorry. And I think you have much better mentors here who will tell you about SSB. So those questions are null and void to me. But other than that, I just have one thing to say. I was sitting there 2 years ago, and I was like, the first thing that sir told me is, कि हो तो तेरा जाएगा, confidence level is 0 है. Because I used to be nervous. अभी मैं बाहर जब academy से अंदर आ रही थी, I was like, लामिया मैम ने story सुनाने को बोल दिया तो क्या करूँ? So I'm still nervous. I was much more nervous earlier, and but it is worth it. मतलब I remember when I was here, I was working. I used to come here only on the weekends क्योंकि weekdays में time लगा था. तो रोज सुबह you used to go running, you used to study, you used to do your job, you used to come back tired, and next day you have to do the same thing. And I think a lot of you must be facing this कि यार इतने टाइम से ट्राई कर रहे हैं, सब कर लिया, क्यों नहीं हो रहा? साइकिल में प्रॉब्लम है कि जीडीओ में प्रॉब्लम है, किसमें प्रॉब्लम है? And you will feel like you spend way too much time into this कि कुछ और ट्राई करें क्या? मेरे मन में भी आता था यार कि जॉब अच्छा खासा चल रहा है तो छोड़ देते हैं, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है, पैसा आ रहा है, क्या करना है. बट आई टेल यू दैट ये जो 1, 2, 3 जितने भी साल लग रहे हैं ना, इट इज़ वर्थ इट. एक बार अकेडमी जाओगे, बहुत अच्छे से बचोगे, बट फिर जब अकेडमी से बाहर निकलोगे ना, यू विल फील सो गुड अबाउट द वर्क दैट यू पुट इन. मैं यार पुणे से गया, आई वाज वर्किंग इन पुणे, एंड नाउ व्हेन I just came to Kent, and you see all these Southern Command, और I was staying in लोहेगांव, so officers mess में, तो बस ऐसा लगता है कि यही मन था कि एक दिन ID कार्ड लेके अंदर घुसेंगे यहाँ शाम से. So that's all that I'm saying कि बहुत टफ है यार, मेरे को भी पता है, सबने प्रिपरेशन किया है, मैंने भी ऑलमोस्ट 2 साल प्रिपरेशन किया है. It's very tough and it does not get easier. ऐसा नहीं है कि इस साल किया तो अगले साल ज़्यादा आसान लगेगा. SSB तुम एक बार रिकमेंड होकर मेरिट आउट हो सकते हो और अगली बार स्क्रीन आउट भी हो सकते हो. सो बीन देयर ऑल्सो, बट दैट्स ऑल दैट आई एम सेइंग, इट्स वर्थ इट. जितना टाइम लगे लगाओ, बिकॉज ये एक्सपीरियंस सिविल में कोई भी जॉब तुम्हें नहीं मिल सकती. लाइक देयर इज नथिंग. you will the corporate kind of work that I did before joining, मैं वो भी कर रही हूँ, ये फौजी वाले काम भी कर रही हूँ, सब कर रही हूँ. अब ये experience कोई और job नहीं देगी. So just keep working hard, don't lose hope, and stay at it. And one more thing that I would say is trust your mentors. मैं यहाँ आने से पहले I given 2 attempts, not successful. I came here, first attempt I got it. So trust your mentors. तुम्हारे दिमाग में कुछ बन जाते हैं
और अपने मेंटर्स में घुसो, मांगो, let them get cheesed off. Ask them what is the problem with me. Ask them how can I sort it out. She has done it. You are paid it. You are paid for it. That's your right. But you stay away. You stay away. You stay away. सर के सामने नहीं बोलना है. He will. It's not that I have dealt with her with all love and care. It's not that ये गालियाँ नहीं खाई हैं, पर ये डांट नहीं सुनी. और डांट सुनाना मेरा धर्म है. I don't care whether you like me or you don't. What I want to hear is, sir, Nimisha here made it. Right? That's. And for that, my instructors did not leave me. They ragdolled me. ये बजाना तो बहुत कम है. पता ही नहीं चलता ये नीचे है या पाँव ऊपर है. But that's the way you become strong. That you can face fire, you can face bullets. ये पिच वाली जिंदगी जो है ना, लचर पचर जिंदगी, ये कोई जरूरत नहीं है इनको लिपस्टिक लगाने का, इनको आई कुछ करने का. She has become beautiful, right? And such things we don't like on your part. And you will become so beautiful. Beautiful is, how energetic you are, how strong are you. And there's a solid medical backup also in the armed forces. And good food, and good environment. And you don't keep smelling carbon dioxide and other things. All the cantonments are beautiful. So kindly note down what she's telling, that you've got to have 200% faith in your mentors. And you've got to go to them and as a right say, sir, I want this by tomorrow morning. Can you please help me? And they will do it.
Exactly what sir said. I've done this कि SSB आज है, मेरी रिपोर्टिंग आज है. नाना ने बोला है कि रात को मैं चेक करवा के सर से भेज दूँगी. रात को 11 बजे मैम को कॉल किया. मैम आप स्टोरी नहीं भेजी. सुबह 6 बजे रिपोर्टिंग से पहले मैम को उठाया हुआ है. तो do this. They will do it for you. I know उनकी भी लाइफ है, but they will do it for you for sure. So ask for it. They will give it to you. या मैं यहाँ जो G2 है, उसमें बेसिक वो रैंप से कूदने में मेरे को डर लगता था. I was that bad. पर गाली सुनो. और गाली सुन के काम होता है. ये as they say, फौज में से बम्बू चलता है. तो मैंने भी बहुत गाली सुनी है, तब से भी बहुत गाली सुनी है. बट हो जाएगा, सब हो जाएगा. Just keep at it. एक बार नहीं हुआ, 2 बार नहीं हुआ तो नहीं होगा वाले सिस्टम में नहीं. वो 4थी बार में होगा, 7वीं बार में होगा. I have friends who got commissioned between 13 attempts, 15 attempts. At the end, when you got commissioned, it doesn't count. Exactly. It doesn't count कि तुम कहाँ से आए हो. It only counts कि इस दिन commission हुए हो. बस. So that's all. And if you have any questions.
If you have any question, she would remember part of things. ऐसा नहीं है कि it is totally memory erased. What is the type of problems that you are facing and how to overcome it? She is into my status now. In fact, I will salute her. I'm a retired guy, and she is into the forces. She is going to face the Chinese and teach them a lesson, and the Pakistanis. I will only say, but the present that she has given me today, my God, she has given me $1 trillion to the power $8. She has given her first rank that she had put on, and that I will have to think as to how to beautify it and keep it. She has given to Gurdeva again, right? Which is a matter of great pride for us. So ask any question. Yeah.
मैम concentration ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं कर सकता.
Love.
Concentration ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं कर सकता. मतलब पढ़ते mind distress हो जाता है.
So there are like multiple options. एक तो जो भी distraction है वो distraction ही हटा दो. कहाँ जाएगा दिमाग? और start giving yourself time. Like what I used to do is कि मुझे पता है मुझे 5 काम करने हैं. तो 45 minutes मैं पढ़ रही हूँ तो मैं 45 मिनट सिर्फ पढ़ूंगी. उसके बाद का जो काम है टाइम स्लॉट्स में डिवाइड कर दूँगी. इस टाइम में सिर्फ यही करना है, इस टाइम में कुछ और साथ में होगा. मतलब मुझसे ये नहीं होता था कि मैं साथ में गाने चल रहे हैं साथ में पढ़ लूँ और मैं साथ साथ में कुछ बैकग्राउंड में चल रहा है, नहीं। अगर मेरे को पढ़ना है तो मेरे को उस टाइम पढ़ना है, मैं वर्कआउट करी मैं वर्कआउट करी। तो डिवाइड योर टाइम, हर चीज़ साथ में नहीं हो पाएगी कि 6 घंटे हैं मैं 6 काम कर लूँगा, नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं होगा इतने में। मैं 1 घंटे करूँगा, 1 घंटे करूँगा, 1 घंटे करूँगा। एंड गिव योरसेल्फ ब्रेक्स, साथ में एक साथ 2 घंटे 3 घंटे बैठ के सब लोग नहीं पढ़ सकते। तो सी व्हाट टाइम इज फीजिबल फॉर यू, इवन इफ इट इज 15 मिनट्स। तो 15 मिनट पूरे डेडिकेशन से पढ़ो, 5 मिनट का ब्रेक लो पानी वाली को, फिर 15 मिनट पढ़ो। बट देखो तुम्हारे लिए क्या सूट करना है, इट कैन नॉट बी सेम फॉर एवरीबॉडी। हाँ एग्जैक्टली, कि वो 15 मिनट तुम्हें लग रहा है कि अब हो गया तो उसे आधा घंटा करो। जस्ट वर्क आउट व्हाट इज बेस्ट फॉर यू। इस सब जैसे कर रहे हैं वैसे करना, नॉट जैसे।
I want to know about the working profession of a meteorological branch and educational branch in your course. What work they do?
Okay, so Met branch comes under our operations. So operations has ATCFC, Met, SASO section and the pilots, मतलब जो भी हमारे pilots हैं. So Met branch, especially I would say for fighter aircraft to even take off, Met branch will decide कि वो take off करेगा कि नहीं. So Met branch का काम, you know, they have to give the forecast and current weather and everything. But like you will be with the operations. You will always be working with the operational unit only. And that's what I said. Like for helicopters and all, if they are flying in a certain direction or they're ferrying out, so you will tell them कि हाँ यहाँ ये weather expect करना है, इस height पे जाना है, इस height पे नहीं जाना है. For fighters तो incredible use, मतलब तुम बोल सकते हो कि आज मैं नहीं उड़ने दूँगा तो नहीं उड़ने दूँगा. So that is.
You're going to be a big boss because everybody is going to catch your neck if the weather condition was not well. Why the bloody hell did you fly? Let it be AOC flying. That time, he is nobody to take a flight unless it's a clearance from you.
Yes, sir.
So everybody, irrespective of age, irrespective of rank, जहाँ मेरा domain है, I'm the boss. Right? And that gives you a lot of bad report that I have the authority to allow or disallow. And taking risk is part of fortune. But taking risk beyond in peacetime for you have to weigh what and what not. And you will be accountable. Nobody in army leaves you. Right.
Like one thing sir ने बोला कि there's a lot of power that you have. उस power के साथ trust me, once you're in the forces, responsibility है, and you will want to become worth it. तुम्हें पता है कि मेरे डिसीजन से बहुत कुछ चेंज होगा, तो I will become worth making the decision. So you will start working hard on your own. Education department is like from basic to everything, starting from the kids schools जो officers के या men के बच्चे हैं, starting from organizing that to our recruitment procedure. Everything is under education. So the recruitment procedure also comes under education. So जो भी तुम GTO और सबसे मिल रहे हो, you might become that. So it's your job to make sure that the best of the best are coming in. So in stations you will be managing like station के जितने exams हो रहे हैं, all the inspections that come उनके exams from the schools, library, everything. So all this will be managing.
Education of the boys, they are accreditations.
Yes sir, exactly. तो men के जितने भी exams होंगे, all that is under education also. So from recruitment to all our promotion exams, the education department will be taking care of it.
Thank you.
Plus you will be given a lot of fundy jobs. Also मैं secretary.
Yes.
हाँ वो सबको मिलता है लेकिन तुमको जरा ज़्यादा मिल रहा है. But the advantage that you will get is ample of bloody newspaper and magazines and this and that. It's important for it. Plus accreditation of knowledge of the airmen and all concerned. Right? Because only awoken people save their organization. So every job has got tremendous. ऐसा कोई नहीं है जो ऑफिस आया पाँव ऐसे कर दिया इस पर काफे लाओ और कोई काम नहीं. बहुत सारी किसी को नहीं छोड़ती. ठीक है. और अगर पता चल गया इसके पास 2 घंटे काम है तो 3 घंटे का काम और मिल जाएगा. So be rest assured. That's a beautiful job. Yeah.
Logistics, in branch logistics, what are the
Logistics, as the name says, सारा logistics everything है, from ration to aircraft parts, everything is under logistics. So logistics comes under our maintenance branch. So making sure that the aircraft and the people flying the aircraft are in their good state, वो काम logistics ही कर सकता है. So unless you have material, engineer खड़े होके तब तक तुम उसे सामान नहीं दोगे, he won't be able to do anything. The aircraft is not ready, the pilot cannot fly. So we use this. So logistics does basically what ASC and AOC does in the.
But in Air Force, the logistics has got a lot of demand. The supply of things is needed in seconds. So a lot of people have worked before you. What items to be kept, how much, and then of course your own personal ingenuity and your liaison with people is concerned. Life is a whole lot of liaison, right? That station, this is lying. You got to not only know what is lying in your station, you got to know that station, that station, that station, that station. And you want to get it. So if you know very well, then they are all in your pocket. Very challenging job. Very challenging. Very challenging.
And in logistics, you will have to interact with a lot of civil authorities and आसपास के जुगाड़ कैसे करना है सामान का. So you will be interacting with as I said, stations around, army stations around, navy, and a lot of civilians who who can procure what you want. So